The first presidential debate between Donald Trump and Joe Biden took place last night. It was an acrimonious, chaotic, and insulting debate. The global stock market has become even more concerned following this debate, and investors are largely ignoring all other major fundamentals, such as the worsening coronavirus situation in Europe and strong economic numbers out of China. The U.S. futures moved higher during the debate as investors saw Joe Biden displaying his strong position against Donald Trump, but the Dow Jones took a complete U-turn after the debate because investors believe that if Trump loses the election, the transition of power is not going to be smooth. The presidential debate reinforced the market concerns that Trump isn't going to accept his defeat that easily. This creates the biggest risk for not only the U.S. stock market rally, but we are seeing the global stock market take a nosedive today. Over in Asia, the stock market closed in negative territory. The Shanghai index declined by 0.20%. The Nikkei stock index also moved lower by 1.50%, while the Korean Kospi soared 0.86%. Hong Kong's Xi index increased by 1.02%. The coronavirus situation continues to deteriorate over in Europe as new cases are surging. The total global number of COVID-19 cases is now above 33 million, and the virus has claimed nearly 1.006 million lives. The U.S. still remains the worst country in terms of coronavirus deaths and virus cases, while India holds the third position. The Dow Jones market breadth took a beating yesterday. 63% of the Dow Jones stocks traded above their 200-day moving average yesterday. The S&P 500 stock breadth also lost more momentum. 57% of the shares traded above their 200-day moving average yesterday. This is a change of -6% from a day earlier. The Dow Jones futures are trading lower by 150 points, due to the U.S. presidential election debate. Traders and investors will be paying close attention to the upcoming ADP Non-Farm Employment change number. The forecast is for 650K, against the previous reading of 428K. This data sets the tone for the most important U.S. economic reading, the U.S. jobs report due on Friday. If we see an improvement in the ADP employment number, it is likely to push the Dow Jones futures higher and may shift the investors' focus away from last night's presidential debate. The Dow Jones Industrial Average futures have failed to break above the 50-day simple moving average, a technical level that is considered influential among traders, on the daily time frame. The Dow Jones is marching back towards the 100-day SMA, and the hope is that the Dow's price will stay above this important level. If the Dow Jones price falls below the 100-day SMA, it could mean more sell-off for the coronavirus stock market rally. The S&P 500 futures, the broader representation of the U.S. equity market, are also trading sharply lower.